Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to everyone. Welcome to my live stream. Dear friends, आज हम बात करेंगे BTC डेटा पर। ओवरऑल मार्केट के अल्ट कॉइन के बारे में बात करेंगे। कौन से कॉइन्स की प्राइस किस हिसाब से ट्रेड कर रहा है, कौन कितने परसेंट चेंजेस है, किस हिसाब से। ओके, तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आपने मुझे एंड तक ज्वाइन करना है और स्पीड मिस नहीं करना है इसमें। ओके, thank you so much everyone for joining me. Thanks a lot everyone. Okay, friends. BTC contract positions 24 hours 8.63 billions, positive 1.63%, and global contract position 24 hours 56.90 billions, plus 0.67%. And dear friends, Grayscales holding 24 overs 285.45k, positive 388.33%. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. So dear friends, like, follow and share this stream and liquidation data. Data liquidation 10.14 million is equal to 87.24 BTC. 10.14 million is equal to 87.24 BTC, and long 9.23 million and 79.58 BTC. Okay. And global liquidations. Global liquidation 74.23 millions is equal to 638.45 BTC. Thank you so much. So dear friends, panic index 60% greed, and 2025 8 18 15.4 UTC. And yesterday 64% greed, and last week 70%, and last month 74 greed. And block order future 1.97 billion, and 1.97 billion is equal to 16,969.59 BTC. And support 5.23 billion, support 45,405.30 BTC, and buying 2.60 BTC, 22,603.88 BTC, and sale 2.63 BTC is equal to 222,802.25 BTC. And the long short ratio, global long 53.47% and short 46.53%. Funding rate, trend forecast. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, popular coins, good. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining me. BTC is currently trading well like $15,345.22 and negative 2.32%, and market sentiment is neutral. Market sentiment is neutral, get 8.363 billion and global 56.90 billion. Dear friends, 1 over liquidation 34.45K and 24 over 74.29 million. And long 52.19% and short 47.81% and funding rate 0.0070%. Welcome, dear. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Ethereum is currently trading 4,226 67.31% and the market 24 hours changing price negative 5.97% and market sentiment is neutral, get 5.17 billion and global 46.41 per billion. 1 over 2.07 million and 24 over 176.95 million. Okay, long 55.44% and short 44.56%. Funding rate is 0.0100%. Thank you so much, everyone. GT price 17.34%, $34 and minus is 3.35% and the market sentiment sale and holding get 4.09 million and global 4.09 millions and 1 over 1.7300 dollars and 24 as 10.27k. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone. XRP $2.9705 is 24 hours changing minus 4.98% and market sentiment is buying and get 1.03 billion and global 5.23 billion and liquidations 1 over 4.20k and 24 over 12.84 millions. Thank you so much everyone for joining here and funding rate positive 0.0073%. BNB $830.20 and minus 4.98%. Market sentiments buying in the get 1.203 billions and global 5.23 billions and 1 over 4.20k and 24 over 12.84 millions and long 61.11% and short 38.89% and funding rate 0.0073%. Thank you so much everyone for joining here. And Solana is currently trading $181.26 and minus 0.58% and by market sentiment is buying and the holding get 1.68 billion and global 7.99 billion and liquidations 1 over 23.34k and 24 over 32.60 million. Long 70.75% and short 29.25% and funding rate 0.0100%. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining here and appreciating me. Thank you so much, everyone. And hype is currently trading $43.59 is changing price minus 0.06%. And get 7.48 million and global 541.07 million and 1 over 653.80 dollars and 24 hours 1.2920 millions and long 62.10% and shorts 37.90% and funding rate 0.0050%. Thank you so much, everyone. And ADA is $0.9166 is market 24 over changing price 5.43% and market sentiment is buying and get 276.12 millions and global 1.81 billion and 1 over 54.25k and 24 over 8.02 millions and long 66.34% and short 33.66% and funding rate 0.0100%. Okay, and just so it's currently trading 3.566% dollars is 24 hours market sentiment 24 hours changing price 7.71%. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining here. So, dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream, and don't forget to follow me. Okay, dear friends, and get 270.04 millions and global 1.28 billions and 1 over 631.737 $37 and 24 5.10 millions and long 69.10% and short 30.0990% and funding rate 0.0000%. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining here, and I'm sending the carnival link, so join here and do the draw. Okay, dear friends, Dogecoin is 0.225 dollars and 24 hours changing price minus 6.87% and market sentiment is buying and the gate 860.06 million global 4.41 billions and 1 over 324.00 dollars and 24 overs 21.73 millions liquidations and 24 overs long position 72.48% and shorts at 27.52%. Okay, dear friends, thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, and then TRX currently trading 0.3424 $72 is a 24 hours trading price 1.69% and market sentiment is neutral. Get 23.51 millions and global 600.67 million and 1 over $0 24 hours to 642.39k and long position long is 55.50% and short 44.50%. Funding rate 0.0029% and the link link is currently trading $24.65 and changing price 5.31%. Market sentiment is neutral. Get 292.61 million and global 1.60 1.40 billions and 1 over 59.42k and 24 hours 9.80 millions and long 56.28% and short 43.72% and funding rate is 0.0100%. Welcome to everyone. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Okay, dear friends, and XLM is currently trading 0.4068 and the 24 hours changing price 5.25%. Market sentiment is neutral. Liquidations get 4.77 millions and global 300.94 millions. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, dear friends, and 1 over 10.18k and 24 over 848.54k and long 61.32% and short 38.68% and funding rate 0.0034%. Okay, dear friends, and Ton coin is currently trading $3.3574 in the 24 hours trading price minus 4.04% and market sentiment buying get 11.51% and global 371.25 millions. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. And 1 over 1.15k and 24 hours dollars 648.747k and long position is 67.279% and short 32.21%. Okay, and funding rate is 0.0050% and CRO is currently trading, my dear friend, $0.1447 and its market 24 hours market changing price 24 hours changing price minus 5.74%. And my dear friends, get get is get 1.20 millions and global 58.54 millions and 1 over $0 and 24 hours 44.08k dollars and long position 53.91% and short position is 46.909%. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Okay, dear friends. Funding rate is 0.0100%. And HVAR is currently trading $0.2430 and 24 hours changing price minus 5.74% and market sentiment is neutral. Get 6.37 millions and global 43.44 millions and 1 over 1.12k and 24 over 782.18k. And long position 56.31% and short 43.69%. And minus 0.0133% and BCH is currently trading $566.81 and minus 24 hours trading price minus 3.232% and market sentiment is neutral. Get 14.49 millions and global 707.16 millions. Thank you so much, everyone. So, dear friends, don't forget like, follow, and share this stream. Okay, and 1 over $0 and 24 hours 835.60k, and long position 70.21% and short 29.79%. Funding rate is positive $0.0100. Okay, dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. My dear friends, AVAX is currently trading. AVAX is currently trading 23 point. It's currently trading $23.59, my dear friends, and minus 6.30%. And market sentiment is buying. And get 82.22 millions and global 701. 701.56 millions and 1 over $0 24 is 1.967 millions and long 70.21% and short 29.79% and funding rate 0.0049%. My dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone. Welcome to everyone. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thanks a lot, everyone. So, dear friends, Uni is currently trading is $10.35 and 24 hours changing price minus 0.29%. 29% and market sentiment is buying and get 82.22 millions, and global 701.56 millions, and 1 over $0, 24 hours 1.97 millions, and long position 70.21%, and short is short position 29.79%, and the funding rate minus 0.0049%. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, and ENA is currently trading 0.680909 dollars, is minus 24 hours trading price minus 5.36%, and market sentiment buying and get 23.61 millions, and global 933.14 millions, and 24 hours 1.77k, and 24 2.81 millions. And dear friends, long position 65.89%, and short position is 34.11%, and market funding rate is 0.0050%. Okay, thank you everyone. And Ondo is currently trading $0.9539, is 24 hours changing price 7.75%, and market sentiment is buying, holding get 14.1 millions, and global 394.81 millions. Okay, and liquidations 1 over 137.24k, and 24 hours 986.85k. Okay, and long ratio and short ratio. Long position 66.66%, and short is 33.34%. Okay, and funding rate 0.0032%. WLD is a new coin, and this is and it's currently trading $0.9505, and its market 24 hours changing price minus 7.37%, and market sentiment buying, and holding get 8.84 millions, and global 192.07 millions. Okay, my dear friends, and the liquidation 72.02k, and 24 is 1.43 millions, and long position 68.23%, and short is 31.77 million percent, and funding rate 0.0100%. My dear friends, and Trump coins are currently trading $8.9647. 1 over 88.72k, and 24 over 1.85 millions, and long 70.94%, and short is 29.06%, and the funding rate 0.0056%. LTC is currently trading 115.09 million, 09 dollars, and 24 hours changing price, my dear friends, 4.81%, and market sentiment is buying, and get 31.85 millions, and global 229.24 millions. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, my dear friends, we are okay. 1/101.00 K and 24 is 2.30 millions, and long position 68.80% and short is 31.29%. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone. And the funding rate 0.0089%. And TAO is currently trading $355.38 is minus 7.23%. Market sentiment is neutral and cash is 7.27 millions and global 193.73 millions and 1 over 19.91 K and 24 over 500 is 78.84 K and long position 62.57 and short is 37.43% and funding rate is $0.0138. Okay, my dear friends, and TAO is currently trading $355.38 and market 24 hours changing price minus 7.23%. Okay, my dear friends, GET is 7.27 millions and global 193.73 millions dollars and 21 over 19.91 K and 24 over 570 78.84 K and the long is 62.57 dollars 57% and short 37.43% and funding rate 0.013138%. Okay, my dear friend, SHIB is currently trading $0.000125 So, dear friends, hurry up, guys, and buy the meme coins. And holding get 103.20 millions and global 259.55 millions. One over 19.91 K and 24 over 578.84 K and the long position $62.57. 57% and short position is the short ratio 37.43%. Okay, and the funding rate is 0.0138%. So, dear friends, coin dot is currently trading 3.862 $20 and 24 hours changing price minus 7.01% and market sentiment is sell and gauge 1.9793 millions and global 143.55 millions and 2.20 K and 24 over 229.98 K. Dear friends, long position is 69.89% and short 30.11%. Funding rate is 0.0036%. IP is currently trading 5.696738 dollars and 24 hours changing price 3.23%. Overall 50% market is down bearish now because all market is minus negative positions. So dear friends, market sentiment sell and get 1.393 millions in global 143.51 millions. And 1 over 102.20k and 24 over 229.98k and long position 39.23% and short is 60.77% and funding rate 0.0050% and the APT is currently trading 4.582 is minus 6.56% and market sentiment is buying and the gate is get 7.58 millions in global 294.07 millions in 1 over 15.22k and 24 over 666.35k. 35k and long position 69.97% and short is 30.03% and 0.0100%. So dear friends, ARV is currently trading $0.5165 and 24 hours market is changing price 6.41%. And get 10.73 millions and global 435.64 millions and 1 over 182.78k and 24 hours 2.87 millions and long position 65.66% and short position 34.34 3-4% and market sentiment funding rate 0.0100%. So dear friends, Philcoin is currently trading 2.4424 and minus 6.31%. And market sentiment is buying and get 10.19 millions and global 283.37 millions and 1 over 16.40k and 24 over 658.85k. Okay, dear friends, long position 69.95% and short is 30.05% and 0.029%. And dear friends, every coin is currently trading $285.90. Market 24 hours trading price 7.21% and market sentiment is neutral and get 9.89 millions and global 409.35 billions. And dear friends, 1 over 336.79k and 24 hours 1.7853 millions. Long position 58.85k percent and short is 41.15% and funding rate 0.0049%. Okay, my dear friends, Pi is currently trading $0.3650 and 24 hours trading price minus 5.39%. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, and PEPE is currently trading 0. Sorry, Picoin is market sentiment is buying and get 11.28 millions and global 66.80 millions and 1 over 1. 1 over 1.79k and 24 over 706.36k. And long position 71.57% and short is 28.743%. Funding rate is 0.0327%. And PEPE coin is currently trading $0.00001064 and 24 hours trading price minus 6.67%. And market sentiment is buying. Buying and get 209.98 million and global 741.16 million and 28 friends 1 over 212.91k. And 24 hours 4.26 millions and then and long position 70.12% and short is 29.88% and funding rate 0.0015% and JUP is currently trading $0.4874 and minus 7.16% and market sentiment is neutral. Okay. And get 1.2992 million and global is global global is 109.29 millions. 1 over 3.07k and 24 over 277.68k. And the long position is 62.03% and short 37.97k. 9.97% and funding rate 0.00765%. So, dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream. And don't forget, follow me, my dear friends. Okay, dear friends. SEI is currently trading $0.3253 and market sentiment is neutral and get 3.09 millions and global 257.84 millions. Okay, and 1 over 288.29k and 24 over 903.68k. And long position 67.09% and short is 32.91%. And ETC is currently $21.28 and minus 6.40%. And my dear friends get 12.95 millions and global 241.45 millions. And 1 over 18.14%, $1 and 24 is 1.06 million, and long position is 65.19 million percent, and short is 34.1981%, and the funding rate is 0.0142%. And my dear friends, near is currently trading $2.5629 and 24 hours changing price minus 8.29% in market sentiments buying and get 7.00 millions and global 307.26 millions and 1 over 200 125.89k. 1 over 89 125.97k and 24 was 1.45 millions and long position 68.35% and short 31.65% and funding rate 0.023%. So dear friends, right now most of the altcoin are trading in the red zone. We can see a heavy drop in coins like Sage, Avi, and with losses between 7% and 8% in the 24 hours. This showing that the short-term traders are facing strong selling pressures. Near protocol, near is the price 5.26%, so $26 and changes. 24 hours 8.49%, and market sentiment is buying and the deposit at big drop near still has a buy sentiment, which means many traders are expected a possible rebound. And Ethereum Classic ETC Ethereum price is 21.28 per dollars and changing 6.240% and sentiments buying. And then Ethereum has ETC has showing a decline, but buyers are still stepping in, indicating in the potential recovery zone. And the same price is 0.325 dollars and changing 7.78%. And my dear friends, market sentiment neutral sees is showing a neutral sentiment, meaning the market has not yet decided its next clear directions. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. And okay, XDC is currently trading 0.08401 dollars. Market sentiment sale and they get traded for 34.55k and globally 4.25 billions and 1 over $0 and 24 hours 8.343k. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining here. Okay, and pump is currently trading 0.00315 dollars, and then Mike said with neutral get 12.44 millions and global 183.64 millions and 1 over the 13.11k and 24 over 1.73 millions. Long position 60.63% and short is 39.37% and funding rate 0.0050%. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. So, dear friends, Offie is currently trading 0.7273 dollars and 24 hours changing price 6.55% and market sentiment is buying positions and holding 4.81 billions and global 200 27.43 millions. 1 over $183.548. 48K and 24 over 1.07 millions in long position 68.44% and short $31.56 56%, and funding rate 0.0016%. And ICP is currently trading $5.2780 is 24 hours changing price 6.19% in market sentiment is buying. Market sentiment is buying and get 2.45 million in global money, 29.13 million in 1 over 20.646K and 24 hours to $253.08. So dear friends, and long position is 66.01% and short is short 33.99%. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining here. My dear friends, and the PE and GUP is currently $0.03159 and 24 hours trading price minus 0.622% and market sentiment neutral get 5.34 millions and global 278.52 millions. And 1 over 66.66K and 24 overs 1.56 millions in long positions 53.55% and short $46.5545. And my dear friends, funding rate 0.0050%. And dear friends, fall is currently trading $0.2436. $36 is market sentiment neutral, get 1.58 millions and global $109.07. Okay, and 1 over 17.87K and 24 hours 428.55K and long 53.58% and short 46.42% and funding rate 0.0050%. ENS is currently trading $25.17 and market sentiment is 24 hours changing price 10.28% and market sentiment is neutral get 2.04 millions and global 167.46 millions and 1 over 4.54K and 24 over 419.28K and long 60.08% and short 39.92% and funding rate 0.0100%. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining here. And okay, FRLR. FR, FLR is currently trading $0.02412, and market sentiment 24 hours changing price minus 2.53%, market sentiment is neutral. And funding get 254.88K and 24 over 7.23 millions and 1 over $0 and 24 over 23.27K and long position 61.40% and short 38.60%. And funding rate 0.0048%. OKB is currently trading $114.37 and minus 3.31%. And market sentiment business selling and get 1.98 millions and global 3.06 millions and 1 over 1.48K and 24 overs 43.262K and long position 36.66% and short 63.34%. And my funding rate is 0.0768%. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay. KAS is currently trading 0.086666 $6 minus 7.75%. Market sentiment is neutral. Get 9.46 millions. 46 millions and get 167.19 millions. Okay. Yeah, 1 over 2.82K and 24 356.83K and long is 62 point long is 62.34% and short 34.88% and funding rate 0.0050%. Okay, my dear friends, as in is currently trading $1.3152 and 24 hours 24 hours trading price 8.4547%, market sentiment is neutral. Get 1.95 millions and global 79.96 millions and 1 over 94.93K and 24 overs 526.53K and long position 61.26% and short 38.74% and funding rate 0.0050%. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much everyone for joining here. Thanks a lot. Okay, dear friends, and Algo is currently $0.2506 and is currently trading. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining me. And Algo is currently trading $0.2506. His market sentiment is neutral. And you get 1.44 millions in global 127.06 millions. And 1 over 11.45K and 24 over 218.30K and long position 61.82% and short 38.18% and funding rate 0.0100%. Okay, form. Form is currently trading $3.6803 and 24 hours 1.96%, and market sentiment is selling and get 1.00 millions, and global 81.80 millions, and 1 over $22.44 and 24 overs 3.48K, and long position 37.86% and short is 62.14%, and market funding rate 0.0050%. And vol is currently trading 0.4106 and 24 hours trading price minus 1.14%, and market sentiment is neutral. Get Get 261.85K and global 13.86 million, 1 over 1.44K and 24 over 4.12K, and long position 61.30% and short position 38.70%. Funding rate 0.050. 0.055%. My dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. And Atom is currently trading 4.4063 and 24 hours trading price 6.49%, and market sentiment is buying. Market sentiment is buying and get 2.27 millions and global 247.66 millions, and 1 over 4.63K and 24 hours 184.91K, and long position 66.82% and short 33.18%, my dear friends, and funding rate 0.0088%. Okay, dear friends, thank you so much, everyone, for joining here. Okay, ZRO is currently trading is $2.0282. $82 and market 24 hours trading price minus 7.27%, and market sentiment is neutral. And my dear friends, get 511.52K and 24 overs 102.88 millions. And long position 56.22% and short is 43.78%, and funding rate 0.0100%. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining here and supporting me, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone. So, dear friends, right now most of the altcoin are trading in the red zone. We can see heavy drop in coins like SHIB, AVI, and NEAR, with losses between 7% and 8% in the last 24 hours. This showing that the short-term traders and they're facing strong selling pressures. So strong selling pressures, and near protocol is near is a price 5.26% and $26 and change 8.49% and market sentiment is buying deposit a drop, big drop there still has buying sentiment, which means many traders have expected a possible rebound and Ethereum classic ETC. The price is 21.28 per dollar. Exchange is 6.40%. And market sentiment is buying in the ETC has a showing a deadline where but buyers are still stepping in, indicating the potential recovery zone. And SEIC is the current trading price is 0.32%, I think. So changing is a 7.78%, and the market sentiment neutral says the showing a neutral sentiment, meaning the market has not yet decided its next clear direction. And also, job coin is currently trading 0.48% dollars, and the change is 7.187%. And market sentiment is neutral. And job also has a neutral sentiment, but if the price drop is sharp, traders should be continuation is the short terms and the PEPE is currently trading 0.001064 dollars and changes 6.454 dollars. 54% in market sentiments is buying in the meme coins. The PP is still attracting in the buyers even after a drop with the we show the strong community interest and the PIPE network is currently trading $36.50. No, my dear friends, sorry, 0.36 dollars. Yeah, 0.36 change is 5.93%, minus 5.93%. And market sentiment is neutral, but Bitcoin is holding a stable range with no stronger buyers or sellers signal right now. And every coin is priced 285.00 and the change is 7.12% and market sentiment neutral. Heavy is under pressure, but the neutral sentiment surge suggests traders are waiting for a breakout move. And the for FIL, yeah, FIL is the file coin. File coin is wait. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Okay, dear friends. Yeah, this is Fel. Ah, yeah. Felcoin is currently trading 2.42 dollars. It is minus 6.31%. Market is buying. Felcoin is receiving and the buying signals so that even in a bearish market, showing that these long term investors have confused. So, dear friends, okay, my dear friends, and the market is still under pressure, under selling pressure. Most of the coins are down between 6% and 8%. However, some projects are still getting a strong buying interest deposit in the red market. And you see now is the yeah. TI is price $7.35. It changes and minus 7.23%. The market is buying it. Even after a big drop, TI has a strong buying sentiment, which means the investors are expected to recover in this midterms. And the Brenda is currently trading $3.27. It's changing 8.71%. And the market is buying the Brenda is one of the top loser today. Okay, top loser today because but the neutral sentiment show that the trader are still undecided and the VChain it means short form is bet WET bet VET price is 0.02 $235. It changes minus 24 over changes price minus 0.716%. The market is neutral. Bet is the showing neutral sentiments, but its long-term fundamentals remains strong. Okay, and zero is currently trading 2.03% and changing price minus 7.227%. And market is neutral and zero is also neutral, but chapters such as top traders will be watching closer for possible bonds and com costs. Com Yeah, Cosmos. Cosmos. Yeah, Cosmos is a full form. Okay, dear friends. Cosmos. Yes. ATOM. Okay, yeah. ATOM is full form is Cosmos. It's currently at $4.06 and changes -6.49%. The market sentiment is buying in the autumns, has showing the resilience with the buying selling means there are demands even during the corrections and the world coin. World coin is under heavy pressures today, but the traders are still holding which they keeps the sentiment neutrals and form is has a drop but the sentiment remains balanced showing the neither strong buyings or strong sellings my dear friends and last one is last Algo is yeah Algo coin. Algo price is 0.025 $256 is changing my -7.83%. The market sentiment is neutral. So, dear friends, Alco continues to struggle in the short term, but it's still considered a strong project for long-term investors. So, dear friends, so overall, most of the coins are in red today, but coins take Thai and atoms are still showing a strong buying sentiment, which could be interest for long-term short traders or for short-term players. Caution is important because volatility is high, and that's the update for these coins is today market overview. Thanks for watching this Get Our Live sessions. Don't forget to follow for me more updates and analysis. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, my dear friends, take care of yourself. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay. Bye bye, everyone.